Guntur. I completed my graduation in Nasrapeta Engineering College. So after completion my graduation, when I'm scrolling the Instagram, I came to know that bitLabs is conducting full stack development course. So before joining the bitLabs, I had a zero knowledge on coding. So after joining the bitLabs, bitLabs made me a full stack developer. So bitLabs will conduct many events. So in that Tech Titan series is one of them. So Tech Titan series in the sense you will interact with the life goal achievers where and you will address by them and you will motivate by them, and you will come to know that their ups and downs in their lives. So and also you will learn how to overcome the struggles and stresses of life. And so finally, I would like to say thank you to CEO and co-founders and directors and mainly my mentors. So they made my dream job as a full stack developer. So finally, bitLabs provided me 100% job placement guarantee in Symphonize. Thank you.